Good afternoon, everyone. We are the Group 4 representative, and we are making a video about 4Ps program. Introduction of the case. What is the case all about? The Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program of 4Ps is a government program in the Philippines that provides financial assistance to poor families in return. Beneficiaries must ensure that their children attend school regularly, receive health checkups, and the parents attend family development sessions. The program aims to reduce poverty and improve the education and health of Filipino families.
Political ideology reflected. Ideology, socialism, or social democracy. The 4Ps program reflects socialism because the government uses public funds to help low-income families and provides equal opportunities. It promotes social welfare by ensuring that poor families have access to education and health care, reducing inequality in society.
Impact on the community positive effect. More children stay in school. Families can buy food and basic needs. Better health for children and pregnant women. Helps reduce poverty and improves quality of life. Negative effect. Some families may become dependent on government assistance. There may be issues with the selection of beneficiaries or delays in receiving cash grants.
Conclusion, the 4Ps program is an important government initiative that helps poor Filipino families meet their basic needs. It reflects the values of socialism by promoting equal opportunities through education, healthcare, and financial support. Although it has come challenges, it has improved the lives of many Filipinos.